Good morning class. In this video I will continue line wise explanation. Hello again, he said. The thief again took the attention of Anil by saying him hello. I gave him my most appealing smile. The thief was trying to attract Anil, so he tried his best to attract Anil by showing his very pleasant smile. He was smiling continuously. Why? To attract the attention of Anil, who was watching the wrestling match, because anyhow he had to win his trust. I want to work for you, I said. And after that, Hari Singh informed Anil that he wanted to work for him, because anyhow he wanted to get a chance to be close to Anil. When he will be very close to Anil, then he could easily rob him, he could easily steal him. It was the way of stealing Hari Singh. But I can't pay you. On the other hand, Anil, who was a magazine writer, he was very candid, he was very straightforward man, and he directly answered Hari Singh that he can't pay for his work. He could work for him, but he had no money to pay him. I thought that for a minute the Hari Singh was in dilemma, and he thought deeply for a minute, and after that he said, perhaps I had misjudged my man. In his mind the thief was thinking, probably he had done a mistake in selecting the man. Probably he had selected a wrong man, because he was appearing very strict. He was not affected by his false flattery, by his false praise. So for a few moments Hari Singh was in dilemma. Hari Singh was in a fixed condition. I asked, can you feed me? At last the thief decided and concluded by saying that if he could feed him, if he could not pay him money, so he could work for him only for food. Can you cook? Then Anil, who was a writer, he said if he could cook for him, then he could feed him. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Anil put a condition before Hari Singh that if he could cook for him, then he would try his best to feed him. He took me to his room over Jumna sweet shop, and in this way Hari Singh was able to win the trust of Anil, and thus he got a job, he got the company of Anil, and Anil was very kind-hearted man, and he took Hari Singh to his room. He was living over the Jumna sweet shop, and told me I could sleep on the balcony. And Anil told the thief, told Hari Singh that he could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible, because Anil gave it to a stray dog. Stray means wandering dog. Really, Hari Singh was a thief. He was not a cook. So at first night, whatever food he cooked for Anil, that was worthless, that was useless. So Anil did not eat that food, but he gave that food to the wandering dog, because that food was not fit to eat for a man, and told me to be off. And he got angry. He thought that this boy had told a lie. he told him that he would cook for him, and here he had cooked at first night, and his food, the food whatever he has cooked, that food was useless. So he got angry over Hari Singh, and he said, "Go off from his house." But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way. But Hari Singh did not leave the room of Anil. He was moving around the room and having a very attractive smile on his face. In this way, he was showing that he had no other option, and at last Anil will show mercy upon him, and he will say, "Stay here." And he couldn't help laughing. He couldn't help laughing, and Anil could not stop himself from laughing. He broke into laughing. When Hari Singh did not leave his room, he was moving around the room, having the attractive smile on his face. Later means after some time, he patted on me. Patted means he gave a loving stroke on Hari Singh. Me means here Hari Singh, on the head, and said, "Never mind." And after some time, Anil became quiet. He put his loving hand over the head of Hari Singh, and he said, "Whatever I had said to you, don't mind that one. He would teach me to cook." And he also assured Hari Singh that don't worry, he would teach him how to cook. He also taught me to write my name, and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences. Hari Singh was very kind man. He was very prudent person. That's why he started teaching him how to write his name. He also told him that he would teach him how to write whole sentences. Thus, he knew that this boy was worthless fellow. He could not cook for him, even though he showed mercy upon Hari Singh, and he started giving him education. And to add numbers, he also assured him that he will teach him how to add the numbers. I was grateful. Hari Singh was also very thankful to Anil for his kindness, that he was giving him education, because he was only 15 years old boy and he needs education.